Hi, it's Rod here with Greenstone. We have a lot of projects that go to Canada's northern communities. When shipping ice panel buildings to the north, we work with general contractors who may be involved in packaging the panels, creating the panels, and making sure that they get to port in time to make it to their destination. These projects are shipped via Sealift. Sealift is a method of transportation for building materials that is sent via cargo ships, and that could be in shipping containers like you see behind me, or crated freight. You can see all of the shipping containers that are going to be loaded up with different kinds of things, goodies for our northern projects. There's quite a lot of them actually, and that's just for extras and accessories and different things that are going to be shipped as a complete package for those buildings. The ice panels themselves are actually crated up for Sealift, and we can actually optimize shipping volume and on-site efficiencies that way by packaging them in crates. And that's why you need to choose to work with professionals when you're delivering projects into remote communities. If you want to learn more about Greenstone ice panels and the projects that we do, head on over to gsbp.ca.